to, bro, because I always be forgetting to hit the fucking record button. I don't know why I just did that shit, bro. But hey, that's why the fuck did I just do that? Okay, no one's in the stream, so nobody will see that unless they rewind. But this will be in the video. Let's watch the video, bro. Let's watch the fucking video. I'm actually. Hold on. Let's go to the React cam. Let's do.
Boys. What is the craziest thing that's ever happened on your doorstep?
I got by an animal.
What?
Right. What?
Animal?
Your filthy mother.
I know that. I should have seen that coming. What the fuck? What is going on? Oh my god, bro! Dude, what the fuck? Dude, what the fuck, man? What the hell? What am I looking at? Okay, bro, let's just watch that goddamn video. Hopefully, I don't have to move my face cam.
Common house cat.
Oh shit! Oh, it's like zoomed in. I was so confused. I'm like, why does it look like that? Okay, let me fix that. Wait, why is the size different? What the? Yo. Oh, I totally forgot I was recording a different type of video. Okay.
The cat.
On a house cat.
Craziest doorbell camera moment.
Oh, today
But we're
reacting
watching.
to the best doorbell camera moment.
Already said it, Toby. You're late.
Just scroll, bro.
It's a house cat.
You say, ah.
Oh my. Bro, that was nasty, bro. You saw the whole asshole, bro.
This is like, you can show this is the most obviously gonna go wrong thing ever. The ladder is at some
Bruh.
spooky angle on the
On
snow.
ice, yeah.
Yeah, bro, that is stupid. You should have put something behind the ladder.
He's alright, look.
Oh my.
Walk it off.
I bet he probably fractured something, bro. He alright.
Yeah, why has he got 3 seats facing his wall?
What's a chill vibe?
These porch parrots.
Are they still in the candy?
Halloween.
Or taking the candy?
They are.
No way they're gonna put it back. Bro, I would have just ran. You got a mask on. Oh my. Bro. Come on, bro. You got a mask on.
You do that in the first place. I just go and nick everyone's chocolate.
Like, how you gonna do that and then not?
That's very hungry.
He's
hungry
having
boys.
fun with it, Vic. Don't ruin it.
Let him have his fun.
Hold on. Let me move my face cam a little bit. I was gonna make my face cam circular, but I think I'm gonna only do that for like let me make it a little bit smaller. It is kind of big. I'll make it bigger later. But yeah, I wanted to make it circular for like regular like recorded videos and stuff.
Yeah, that's peak.
No,
Those are scary.
Bro, I have a pit and I'd be terrified. Bro, they're strong.
Oh no.
It's like Harry Mobility scooter.
Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. It's like, bro, he already punished himself before his parents could, bro, because he knew he was in trouble. This dude started having a panic attack. Oh my god.
The little knee bounce.
In the NPC bounce. Rotted.
That's a well-managed man. He went outside to do that.
Yeah, it's a good.
His family should be thanking him.
Nah, bro, I'm ripping ass right in front of her, bro.
Shit himself.
Oh, she gonna fall.
No.
Oh my god. Bro, that fall. Bro, that fall, like it looked like she wasn't gonna fall that hard. And then she just smacked into the ground.
sorry, no, I thought it was sorry, sir. Sorry, yeah, all right. I really nice. I just picture him.
Oh, at least he's polite.
He's yeah, I was gonna say.
Is it? Is
Yeah.
it?
What is he eating?
A bear.
Bro, imagine living somewhere where there's a fear of a fucking bear.
The bear just
Like, you
outside
step
your
out
door
and-
chilling.
Yeah, like.
This was us at Big Bear, by the way. We were shitting it.
Yeah.
What is it eating?
The house now.
Where do we go recently? Finland has bears as well, I swear. We could have got attacked by a bear out there.
Sidemen
Oh.
are one video away.
He's been there for time.
Is it Halloween? You just munch a
Yeah,
pumpkin.
He's got the candies.
Ah.
So imagine some like 8-year-old turns up to get some candy. They're like, oh,
Trick or treat.
Only one.
Oh god.
That is so peak, man. What if he had a heart attack? Oh my god.
Wait, I was mostly looking at like the
candy. They're like, oh.
the machine, bro. I didn't even notice. I didn't even know what his reaction was.
Oh god.
That is so peak, man. What if he had a heart attack?
Why he's
Oh
just?
my gosh.
That's what he. Oh my.
Kangaroos in the snow.
Yeah, where is this?
What's going on?
Where else would it be?
What country is that?
Really weird.
Right? They don't have.
That could've broken legs.
Oh, bro, that could have been so
He
bad.
actually got off lightly there. That could have been a little worse.
It's his house now for sure.
This is when Con gives us the 360 cam. The slow falls are the best.
Are you sure?
Oh.
If that's gravel she's fallen off as well, it's a bit.
How's the sound quality?
Lightning. Oh, I'm guessing the other girls are gonna trip too. But she ate it harder.
It is, and I've seen them at football matches. It's an uneven step. So when the steps are all like the same thing, and then one's like a little bit
One's
higher
slightly
than the rest.
dodgy.
Yeah, they get you.
Yeah, because you can be walking upstairs without even like, especially if you walk upstairs every single day, like you don't even have like you can walk up them back, like with ease, just because you just know like it's weird. It's weird that your mind does that. Like you don't even have to like you can walk up. I can run up my stairs blindfolded. You know what I mean? Like fully eyes closed, pitch black, and I can run up the stairs and I'd feel confident and get up to the top without tripping. But if like there was like a slight unevenness one day, bro, I would eat shit and die. Like I would actually die because like, bro, the railing, I don't trust that railing out there, bro. They need a new one.
That is so stupid.
I can't even see what is over there. What was that? Amazon worker? Bro, is he gonna hit the glass?
Just a shadow boxing in the mirror.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, come square up, pussy.
Yeah.
Oh no.
On holiday.
No way he hits the glass.
Yeah, I still got it.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, I thought he was gonna like accidentally punch the glass.
Oh.
Aw.
Just smack into the camera.
What is that?
Bro, that was like meme worthy. That was actually hilarious.
Oh.
Oh.
Why would you try that?
Winding.
The snow right underneath you.
What was she doing though?
You're trying to break this now.
Oh.
I think that's-
Oh yeah, watching that again, bro. She hit the floor hard.
Oh no.
that's creepy.
I think I've seen this video.
Yeah, these things are weird. Like, prey man is a strange creature.
They are proper aliens.
Distinguished.
They've got to be an actual alien, right? Look at them.
Who do they pray to?
That's what I can't say. What's he about to do?
Mantis from Galaxy of Galaxy of the You know what I mean?
Oh no.
Oh man, bro, look like he's about to take off for a second.
Thing. Or do you think
You're just so
people
focused on the
fall
door, maybe you
over?
don't look at the stair.
Yeah, he miscalculated because he has tried to lift his leg. Look, he's tried, but
It just didn't
Just
live.
hasn't-
It
it hasn't
didn't
clicked.
live exactly what it was
he's
like.
booted it.
What the fuck?
Oh, it rang the doorbell. Oh my god.
If it rings again, I'll rate it. Oh.
Hello,
The fuck is that?
Dad. Yeah, do us a favour. I've set up the eye scanner thing on it. Will you just try and scan your eyes, see if it lets you in?
Oh no.
No.
Try another one.
That's a great prank.
Cover your nose, because it's picking up your nose. Hang on, cover your nose.
I've got a big nose.
No, no.
That is good.
They said that at the same time. Oh gosh. And he went back to the other side.
Why the
Oh,
sound
shit.
effect?
What? Yeah.
How has that happened?
Honestly, the railing kind of saved him.
Oh no.
Nah, nah, look.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
That's terrifying.
Is
Oh,
this
they
why
make
London's
it so
alright, you know,
uneasy,
right?
man.
Just because there's nothing there. You got a fox, maybe.
It's just scaling the wall. Like that's crazy. Or maybe it's just on top of the camera.
How's it
Actually,
holding on? Like, he's got no suction cups or
it
anything.
must be just wrapped around the camera or
Yeah,
something.
Like a frog or I don't know.
Like
sticky feet.
octopus. With the
Yeah, like
How
how's
do
it
they
sticking?
How
do
does snake
that?
Vic, come on, you're a scientist.
Wait,
Vic.
yeah, put my office up. One second.
Office.
You got a green screen still.
I think it's just hooked to something.
Yeah, and it's
It's
looking
probably
very
just hooked to
broken.
something on the wall.
They grip trees by squeezing their muscles.
So you ran in a circle, but that one was like.
How do snakes climb walls?
The ventral scales found on the
Yeah.
underside of the snake create small ridges and grooves on the snake's body.
It's gotta be some strong scales.
Snakes
though.
are hackers, bro. They're next level.
Humans need to evolve some more. We're a bit shit, aren't we?
Are you trying to grow some scales, Josh?
Can you imagine that we could just grow some gills.
No, the reason we stopped evolving and having like these like weird little things is because after we evolved into humans, there was not much more we needed. So we don't need to keep adapting. The only thing we adapt to now is like freaking
Don't worry, Elon's chip's coming with an update. You're
is
good.
weather, I guess.
Like,
That's really it.
Weird doorbell moments.
Goodbye.
Humans can't really adapt much anymore. Unless we get like far into the future, you know. Then I don't know. As of right now, no. Okay. All right. Back to full cam. Let me get a little closer. So, we could watch something else, or we could just no, we're not though. We're gonna start playing right now. Just wanted to like get some food in me before I started. And usually I stream until I beat the episode, so that's most likely what we are going to do. Unless like my stream freaking crashes on me, like it did the other day. Bro, I was like, I've been getting like way better at Modern Warfare or Modern Warfare 2. And I decided to stream it. I streamed for like an hour, 40 minutes, and my stream just crashed. And I was like, wow. The one time I started streaming and I'm playing well, and like actually I just started like my camo grind. I was just like, well, I was like, if the game's gonna be out for I was like, this is the only game we're gonna play for 2 years. I was like, I might as well do the camo grind. But let's play some Lego Star Wars, bro. And I will have the High on Life video that will be up. Let me see. Do I have the video going up tomorrow? I'm gonna try to have that video up tomorrow. The High on Life. Let's screen. Oh shit! Smack my mic. All right. See, this is a different cam. Which one was I using? This one? Yeah, we're gonna use this one when we play Star Wars. This shit, wrong one. This cam is for Call of Duty. This one is for just like story games and shit. They just know your name. That is not clout. Go pow, pow, pow. Mm-mm-mm. Yurt. Get this off the screen. Pull this bitch up. Hold on. Where's the hello? Why is it not capturing the window? I mean, it's just on a black screen. It is capturing the window. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's not capturing the window. Hello? What is going on here, dude? Yeah, yeah. Okay, this is actually pissing me off, man. Pissing me off, man. What is going on right now, bro? Like, I've never ran into this problem before, but okay, of course, today I do, right? It's always a new problem. I never run into like reoccurring problems. It's always something that like has never fucking happened before. Like it's not even capturing my fucking screen. Like what the fuck? Like, come on, dude. Like I don't change any. Finally, like what the fuck? I had it on there for so long. It's so annoying. God damn, like I don't change shit, bro. Like I don't touch shit. I get on, record, stream, get off. I don't need to change settings because I have it perfect. So like when I get on here and then shit is just changed, like bro, that's the most annoying thing ever. But hold on, I think oh shit, I'm still recording. Good thing I saw that.